The 2018 Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats, power windows, CD player, passenger airbag, MP3 player, power door locks. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.